Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to report an Instagram account. If you come across an account that violates Instagram's community guidelines or terms of service, it's important to take action. This full guide will show you how. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Look for the familiar icon resembling a camera and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're inside Instagram, navigate to the account that you want to report. You can do this by searching for the account using the search bar, or finding it through your feed or explore page. Step 3. Tap on the 3 stacked dots icon. This will open a menu with various options for interacting with the account. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Report. Instagram will now present you with different reporting options. Step 5. Select Report something about this account. This option allows you to report specific violations related to the account. Now, just like with any report, provide the reason for reporting the account. Instagram offers various options to choose from, such as, it's posting inappropriate content, or it's engaging in harassment or bullying. Select the most appropriate reason that aligns with the violation you're reporting. By following these steps, you can effectively report an Instagram account that violates Instagram's guidelines or terms of service, helping to maintain a safe and positive community on the platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.